With the name of Allah Almighty, the most gracious, the most merciful. Dear students, you're warm welcome in our online academy, the ESL Academy of Linguistics and Literature. Dear student, today we'll cover IPA sounds. You know that in IPA, if you see in IPA chart, there are certain sounds. They are just the sounds, even you write them, they are same. Talk about like F. So if we just transcribe it, EF, A and Fa, two sounds are needed if you want to write it like F, E and F, F, L, M, N, and then S. So write EF, it will give you A and Fa, both sound will give you F sound. Then L, E and L both are needed. A and La, L, M, N, S. So these are written in front of you, you can see. So there are some short vowel and there are some long vowels. So short vowel which gives short sound. Here right in front of you, if you see men, if you see men, in men the sound is short and the less short, cell short, fell short sound, S sound. And then when we put colon with I like E sound, it will give E like neat, seen, like please, the sound in please, see, the sound in neat, sing, lease, geese. So repeat after me. There are sound in front of you. Meat, mat, mat short, meat long. Bat, beat, guest short, geese, cell short, seat long, live short, or and when we will leave, it will be long, leaf long, neck short, pack short. So here we have learned short vowel and long vowel. Short sound is over here, leaf, like a long sound is over here, leave, and short, sit, pack, neck. These are short. So yesterday I sent you one of lecture. In this lecture I discussed about the front vowel sound and then back sound. I discussed how sound become front vowel and second, you could say, back vowel. I discussed roundness. Then I discussed backness. So all we discuss, even we discuss tenseness as well. You might receive that lecture. So today we are going to discuss, and then we have the sound like oo and ah. So the sound in boot and the sound in cup and cut, and then pet, stop, hot. These are the short sound and sound about the ooh, stop, and then pot, cut, shut. These are the short sound, but sound in ooh, boot, shoot. So I'm going to read some. You just follow. But, cup, ton, luck, stop, pet, moon, man, bus, sup, and then there is a E long, U like long sound, like bun short, bin, mat, etc. Here are 4 sounds in which one is correct. We have to identify. So there are 4 rows, only one is correct. Let's see, identify. Full, fool. So fool, full, fool, full. And then there's a 10, 10, 10, 10. I think one is correct. And then keel, keel, and keel, cheel, and stop, 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 and stop. So only one is correct over here. So let's identify from this as well. So here are 4 rows, and in each row only one is correct. Let's see which one is correct. Men, mean, men, men, and the word in C, you could say, is so correct. Then there is a seep, seep, sep, and I think first one is correct. And then bell, bell, bell. So here you can see the bell, the second one is correct. And then guest, get, let's see, get, which one is correct. And then knees, knees. There is a look here, I have marked. First one is a man is correct, then seep is correct, then bell is correct, and then knees is correct, and here get is correct. So these are the correct, rest of all are incorrect. This is one we have already discussed. This is a long and this is short sounds. Dear student, don't forget to subscribe our channel, the ESL Academy. Stay blessed and have a nice time.